we're gonna talk about these things. So this one is one store-bought. You can find it anywhere. This one is from SWI. This one right here easily weighs, what do you think that weighs? Give me your guess.
20, 25 pounds.
20, 25 pounds. What do you think this one weighs? 10? So you think it's gonna take a lot less energy to move this one than it will this one?
Yes.
Yes, yes, and that's what we like, right? So we already dug the hole, now we're gonna put a post in it, and we're gonna pack the dirt in it using the post hole rammer. So one of the cool things I already like about this one versus the other one is it has a contour to the post. So you're actually gonna be able to move it around the post a lot easier. That one has a contour to the post, and that one's just bulky and round. So this one seems like a lot better deal. We're gonna go ahead and throw some dirt in. Keep in mind, we're not gonna just throw all the dirt in and then pack it. If you were to do it that way, your compaction of your soil is gonna be horrible because you need to pack it in lifts. You need to bring it up in certain amounts. And we usually try to go about like 4 to 6 inches at a time. Layers, we put in like a trifle. Think of like a trifle. So everything that came out of the hole is gonna go back in the hole. And if you're doing it right, you should really be left with no extra dirt. So all of this down here should go back in that hole. Is that pretty easy to use?
Yes. It's great.
Are you having the time of your life using it?
Time of my life.
Do you want to use the other one?
No.
You're doing such a good job. Dragon approved. That right there is a post hole rammer. And you too can have just as much enthusiasm if you get one today. But remember, if it doesn't say Strainrite, it's probably not a Strainrite.
This is the best post hole rammer I've ever used. You need one.